Hey traders! If you're torn between AMP futures and Tradovate for your futures trading, you're in the right place. Both are solid picks for diving into futures markets, but they've got their own styles. One's a low-cost, platform-heavy pro, and the other's a sleek, modern newcomer. In this chill, in-depth review, I'm going to break down everything from fees to platforms to help you figure out which one's your vibe. Let's jump into AMP futures versus Tradovate in 2025. AMP Futures is a US-based futures commission merchant, FCM, that's been in the game for years, specializing in futures markets like commodities, indices, and currencies. They're known for dirt-cheap commissions and a huge selection of over 60 trading platforms, from NinjaTrader to Sierra Chart to MetaTrader 5. AMP's regulated by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, and a member of the National Futures Association, NFA, so they're legit and stick to strict rules. Their deal is all about flexibility and low costs, making them a go-to for active traders who love tailoring their setup. Tradovate's the newer kid, built for futures traders who want a simple, modern experience. Also US-based, CFTC-regulated, and an NFA member, Tradovate was bought by NinjaTrader in 2022, but still runs as its own broker. Their big thing is a cloud-based platform that lets you trade from anywhere without downloading heavy software, plus a mobile app for trading on the go. Tradovate's all about keeping things easy and approachable, especially for traders who don't want to mess with complex setups. AMP's like a toolbox packed with every gadget you could need, while Tradovate's more like a sleek smartphone, simple, modern, and ready to roll. Let's dive into the details. When you're trading futures, you want to know your money's safe. Both AMP Futures and Tradovate are rock solid here. AMP's regulated by the CFTC and NFA, so they follow strict US rules, like keeping client funds in segregated accounts to keep your cash separate from the companies. A 2025 Trustpilot review gives AMP 4 stars from 765 users, praising their reliability. One catch: futures trading with AMP doesn't come with investor protection schemes, so there's no extra safety net if the broker goes under. That's standard for futures brokers, but it's worth noting if you're new. Tradovate's also CFTC regulated and an NFA member, so they're just as legit. They segregate client funds too, ensuring your money's protected from company use. Like AMP, there's no investor protection for futures trading, which is typical in this space. A 2025 review on tradingcritique.com confirms Tradovate's trustworthiness, noting their regulatory compliance. Since NinjaTrader's acquisition, Tradovate's safety protocols match top-tier standards, just like AMP. It's a tie on safety. Both brokers are legit, regulated, and keep your funds secure with segregated accounts. The lack of investor protection is a shared downside, but it's not a big deal for most futures traders who know the risks. Fees can chip away at your profits in futures trading, so let's see how these two compare. AMP Futures is a budget trader's dream. They're known for ultra-low commissions, like $0.37 per side for futures like the S&P 500 E-mini, some of the cheapest out there. A 2025 review on dailyforex.com highlights their low-cost structure, with minimal or no brokerage fees for certain services. There's no inactivity fee, so you're not dinged for trading less, and the minimum deposit is just $100. Super accessible. The catch? Fees can vary depending on which of their 60-plus platforms you use. Some, like NinjaTrader or Sierra Chart, might have extra costs for data feeds or features. You'll need to check the specifics for your setup. Tradovate's fee structure is different. They offer a commission-based plan where you pay per trade, starting at $0.35 per side for micros, or you can opt for a 99-month plan that lowers commissions to $0.25 per side for micros. Their lifetime plan offers the lowest rate $0.09 per side for micros, with a one-time payment of $14.99 or 4 installments of $4.99. Exchange and clearing fees still apply, usually ranging from 50 cents to $2 per contract. This can be great if you trade a ton since you're reducing per-trade costs. Some users on Elite Trader call Tradovate's fees steep for casual traders, especially after price hikes post-2022 acquisition. Like AMP, there's no inactivity fee, and the minimum deposit is low, around $200. Tradovate's flat fee model can be cost-effective if you're trading like crazy, but for most traders, AMP's cheaper overall. Just double-check platform-specific fees with AMP to avoid surprises. Your platform's like your trading home base. It's gotta have the tools you need and feel right. AMP and Tradovate take totally different approaches. AMP Futures doesn't have its own platform. Instead, they give you access to over 60 trading platforms, including NinjaTrader, Sierra Chart, Quantower, MetaTrader 5, and TradingView. This is awesome if you're a trader who loves picking your tools or has a favorite already. Quantower's free with AMP and great for charting, while Sierra Chart's a beast for technical analysis. A Reddit post on r/futures trading notes that AMP's Quantower is solid but lacks a mobile app, which we'll get to later. The variety's a big plus, but it can overwhelm beginners, and some platforms might need extra setup or fees for data. Tradovate's platform is its own thing, built for futures trading. It's cloud-based, so you log in from any browser without downloading software, which is super convenient. The interface is clean and intuitive, with real-time data, volume profile, and market depth tools to track the action. It's designed for both beginners and pros, with drag-and-drop charting and easy order entry. A 2025 Trustpilot review praises Tradovate's modern tools, but some Reddit users say it feels basic compared to pro-level platforms. The platform's a big part of Tradovate's appeal for traders who want something that works right out of the box. AMP's the pick if you want endless platform options and don't mind some setup. Tradovate's better for simplicity and a seamless, futures-focused experience. If you're new, Tradovate's single platform is easier to jump into. If you're a pro who loves customization, AMP's variety is your jam. Mobile trading's a must if you're always on the move. Here's how they compare. AMP Futures is a letdown here. They don't have a dedicated mobile app, which is a major drawback. Some platforms they support, like TradingView or NinjaTrader, have mobile apps, but these aren't tailored for AMP's setup, so you might hit issues like delayed data or missing features. A Reddit post on r/futures trading from 2025 calls this a pain point, noting Quantower's lack of a mobile version. If mobile trading's key, AMP's not the best choice. Tradovate shines in this area. Their cloud-based platform includes a mobile app that's user-friendly and lets you trade, chart, and manage your account on the go. It's got real-time data, crucial for futures, and a clean interface. Some Trustpilot reviews mention occasional lag, and a 2025 Reddit post notes it lacks some advanced features, but it's still solid. An X post from @TradesBirina on May 14, 2025 raves about using Tradovate's mobile app alongside their web platform, showing its flexibility. Tradovate wins hands down for mobile trading. Their app's built for futures and works seamlessly, while AMP leaves you relying on third-party apps that might not cut it. Both brokers focus on futures, but let's check out their markets. AMP Futures offers a wide range of futures markets, including commodities like oil, gold, or corn, indices like S&P 500, and currencies. They support microfutures too, great for smaller accounts with margins as low as $50 to $500, compared to $1,000 or more for standard contracts. AMP doesn't offer spot forex trading like EUR per USD, stocks, or crypto like Litecoin. It's all futures. Tradovate covers similar futures markets, commodities, indices, and currencies, with micro futures support as well. Like AMP, they don't offer forex trading, stocks, or crypto, so it's futures only. Their platforms optimize for these markets, with tools like volume profile and market depth tailored to futures. A 2025 post on BuyDFI.com mentions Tradovate's real-time data and advanced tools, but inaccurately suggests crypto trading, which isn't available. It's a tie here. Both brokers offer the same core futures markets with micro futures support. Neither branches out into forex, stocks, or crypto, so your choice depends on how you want to trade those markets. AMP's platform flexibility versus Tradovate's streamlined setup. Good support can save you when your platform's glitching or you're stuck on a trade. Let's see how they stack up. AMP Futures offers 24/7 support, which is a big win. You can reach them via phone, email, or live chat. And Trustpilot reviews with 4 stars from 765 users praise their responsiveness, especially for platform setup issues. Users say AMP's team is quick to help navigate their many platforms, though some note support quality can vary. Tradovate's support is more mixed. They offer email and chat support, but there's no 24/7 phone line. Trustpilot reviews mention average response times, and some users on NinjaTrader and Tradovate's forums complain about slow or unhelpful answers, especially since the 2022 acquisition. An ex-post from @CandyLeu on May 8, 2025 suggests Tradovate could improve features like stop-loss displays, hinting at user frustration with support. AMP wins for customer support with its 24/7 availability and better user feedback. Tradovate's support isn't bad, but it's less consistent, especially for urgent issues. Ease of use is key, especially if you're new or don't want a complicated setup. AMP Futures can be intimidating for beginners. With over 60 platforms to choose from, you've got to pick one, set it up, and maybe deal with extra costs for data or features. A 2025 YouTube comparison notes that AMP's variety is great for pros but overwhelming for newbies. Once you're set up, platforms like Sierra Chart or Quantower are powerful, but there's a learning curve. Tradovate's platform is way more beginner-friendly. It's cloud-based, so you just log in and go, with a clean, intuitive interface designed for futures. Drag-and-drop charting and easy order entry make it a breeze. A 2025 review on tradingcritique.com praises its simplicity, though some Reddit users say it lacks the depth of pro-level platforms. The mobile app adds to its accessibility, making it great for traders who want something straightforward. Tradovate takes the win for user experience, especially for beginners or those who want a plug-and-play setup. AMP's flexibility is awesome for pros, but requires more effort to get going. Let's sum up the strengths and weaknesses. AMP Futures' strengths are its ultra-low commissions like $0.37 per side, huge platform selection, and 24/7 support. The $100 minimum deposit and micro futures make it accessible, and Trustpilot reviews love its reliability. The downsides: no mobile app, no investor protection, and the platform variety can overwhelm newbies. Tradovate's strengths include its user-friendly, cloud-based platform, solid mobile app, and futures-focused tools. The flat fee model can be great for high-volume traders, and the low minimum deposit is beginner-friendly. The cons: higher fees than AMP, average support, and a platform that feels basic for advanced traders. Final thoughts: AMP Futures or Tradovate? So, who's the better pick? AMP Futures and Tradovate are both legit, regulated brokers that shine in futures trading, but they're built for different traders. Choose AMP Futures if you're an active trader who wants super low fees and tons of platform choices. The $0.37 commissions and 24/7 support are hard to beat, but the lack of a mobile app and complex setup might be a drag. It's perfect for pros who don't mind tinkering. Go with Tradovate if you're a beginner or want a simple, mobile-friendly platform. The cloud-based system and mobile app are great for trading on the go, and the flat fee model can work for high-volume traders. Fees are higher and advanced features are limited, but it's a smooth ride for newbies. It's all about your style. If low costs and flexibility are your thing, AMP's your pick. If you want ease and mobility, Tradovate's the move. Try their demo accounts to test the waters and check their websites for the latest details. Happy trading!